guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this bold red lip look. The focus is going to be obviously on the red of the lips, and I try to keep the eye with some darkness on the edges to make it a little bit smoky, but I didn't use like a harsh black liner. So all of the look that you see in the eye is created with an eyeshadow. So if you like it, please keep watching. After applying foundation and concealer, I'm going ahead and adding some bronzer to my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, and a little bit on my nose. Now I'm going to add a little bit of highlight to my cheekbones. For the eyes, I'm starting off with this light color and applying it all over the lid. Next, I'm coming in with this taupey color and applying it to the crease using a blending brush. I'm using sweeping motions just to make sure that it's really blended out and there's no harsh lines. Using a thinner brush, I'm coming in and applying more of that taupey color on the bottom lash line. Using a thin eyeshadow brush and a warm brown color, I'm applying it to the outer corner of the upper lash line and going up and around the crease. To make sure everything looks blended, I'm coming in with a chalky white color and adding it to the inner corner with a blending brush and going over the entire eye area just to make sure everything is blended, like so. To avoid any harsh lines, we are going to use a dark brown eyeshadow as eyeliner. Here I'm creating a cat eye using an angled brush. If you have any eyeshadow fallout, don't worry, you can just grab a clean brush and clean it up. For lips, I'm starting off by lining them with a pretty dark color since we are using red lipstick. I always like to wait a little bit after applying lip liner, so while I wait, I curl my lashes and apply one layer of waterproof mascara followed by my regular mascara. And the last step before lipstick is to fill in your brows. Here I'm using a brow pomade to do so. For lips, I'm mixing these two red colors. I'm starting off with the dark one and applying that all over my lips. Once done with that, I'm coming in with a lighter color and just adding a little bit to the center of my bottom lip and to the top. And that's it! Here's the final look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.